If you have never tasted akara fresh from the you are missing out on one of the African best kept breakfast recipes. Let me show you how to make it crispy, fluffy and full of flavors. Start by peeling the beans. You can use brown or black eyed beans. Soak in water for a few minutes, then blend with enough water, onion, garlic and little scotch bonnet pepper for that kick. The secret is in the mixing. Use a spoon or a whisk to beat hair into the batter. This helps it to pop up when frying. Add salt and season to taste. Heat your oil until it is hot, not smoking. Drop the batter gently into the oil using a spoon. Fry on a medium heat and flip once golden brown. Let them fry until both sides are perfectly crispy and golden. Once done, lay them on paper towel or remove excess oil. That is it. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Perfect with pap, custard or fresh bread. Have you made akara before? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more authentic African recipe you can make at home. I'm Chef Nisi and I'll see you in the next one. See you. Bye.